Bleaching explained why reefs lose their color, uncovering how rising temperatures threaten ocean life. Coral reefs, once vibrant and full of life, are now turning ghostly white. But what's really happening beneath the waves? Let's take a deep dive into coral bleaching. Coral bleaching occurs when corals expel the microscopic algae called zooxanthellae that live inside their tissues. These algae give corals their color and provide most of their energy. Why does bleaching happen? Rising ocean temperature. Even a temperature rise of 1 degree Celsius can stress corals, causing them to lose their algae. Prolonged heat waves. Marine heat waves make bleaching events more frequent and severe. Other stress factors, pollution, sedimentation, overexposure to sunlight, and changes in salinity can worsen bleaching. What happens after bleaching? Bleached corals aren't dead, but they're weak. Without algae, they lose energy and are more likely to die if stress continues. Some corals recover, but many don't. Bleaching affects more than just corals. It disrupts fish populations, damages coastal protection, and harms communities that rely on reefs for food and tourism. There's still hope. Corals can recover if stress levels drop. Conservation projects, coral gardening, and marine protected areas help reefs bounce back. If the oceans lose their color, we lose more than beauty. We lose balance. Thanks for watching.